So today let's make a pasta without sauce. So let's start with the fried garlic. I'm adding pre-cooked meat. Let it fry into crispy so that the texture will be very delicious. So meat is well fried, so let's add the vegetables, which is boiled for 5 minutes. Beans, carrot, mushroom. So let it fry well. Wow, looking very beautiful and fresh, right? So vegetable is almost fried. Let's add the pasta. I'm using a macaroni here. You can use any kind of pasta. So I'm adding pinch of black pepper, salt to taste, and chili flakes according to your spicy level. When you cook the pasta, chili flakes give tasty and looking beautiful. And I love spicy food. So now pasta without sauce is done. So you must try this recipe. It's very simple and very easy recipe. So you can share to your friends who love pasta so that they will know how to cook and you can try how it tastes. You will love it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and we'll see you in next video.